Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to allow Instagram to access photos on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first up here, you need to open your settings on your iPhone device. And then here, scroll down until you find that Instagram application. All right, from here, and then tap on the Instagram app. Now here at the top, you'll find the photos. So basically you just have to tap on photos. And as you can see here, I just checked this done. So we have two options if you want limited access to your photos or you want full access. So for example, if you're going to tap on the limited access, basically you just have to select any of the photo that you want to access to your Instagram. For example, here I'm going to select two photos. So just right here. So all right, then tap on done at the top right. Okay, so if we're going to try this one to our Instagram app, so basically we're going to open our Instagram app and then go to the messenger at the top right hand corner, select the account here, then tap on the gallery at the bottom right. As you can see, we have just two photos that we have just given an access to use to Instagram. Now, if we're going to select the third option, which is full access, as you can see here, it will show you this option, give Instagram full access to your photo library. All right, so just tap on allow full access. So if we're going to your Instagram and send a photo right from here, then tap on the gallery icon, it will show you all the photos from your gallery on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you basically allow Instagram to access photos on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.